You ever feel like your life is smaller than it should be? Like you're watching everyone else live these big, interesting lives while you're stuck saying no to everything? Yeah, I've felt that too. And here's the wild part. The thing holding you back isn't what you think it is. See, most of us think we're saying no because we're busy or tired or just not ready yet. But really, we're terrified. Terrified of looking stupid, terrified of failing, terrified that if we try something new and it doesn't work out, it'll confirm what we secretly fear about ourselves. So we stay safe. We stay small. We turn down opportunities, avoid difficult conversations, and convince ourselves that comfort equals happiness. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. And the worst part? You know you're doing it. That itchy feeling in your brain when you say no to something you actually want? That's your real self trying to break through. Here's what changed everything for me. I stopped asking, what if I fail? And started asking, what if saying no is the actual failure? Think about it. You're already unhappy with where you are. So what's the worst that could happen if you try something different? You end up somewhere different. And honestly, different is an upgrade when you're miserable. So I made a deal with myself. Say yes to one thing that scares me. Just one. Not everything, not all at once, just one scary thing. Here's how you start. Step 1. Pick something small that you've been avoiding. Not quit your job and move to another country. More like go to that event alone or have that conversation you've been putting off. Step 2. Recognize that fear isn't your enemy. It's information. Your body is saying, this matters. That's actually a good sign. Step 3. Do it anyway. Because here's the secret nobody tells you. Doing the thing you're afraid of is what kills the fear. Not thinking about it, not preparing more, doing it. And here's what happens next that'll blow your mind. You start realizing which fears were real and which ones were just noise. You start saying yes to things that actually fill you up. And suddenly, you're not living that small life anymore. So here's your challenge. This week, say yes to one thing that scares you. Not because you have to prove something, not because you're trying to be someone else, but because you deserve to live bigger than your fear. Your life isn't supposed to feel this small. Let's change that. Start tonight. Pick one thing. Say yes. Let's level up together.